Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you things I do basically when I get a brand new laptop or a brand new computer or something like that. So the first thing I always do is go to this page called 99.com. Click on the first link. So this page is basically to help you install a lot of stuff at one time without with a single click of a button. So let's say I want to install VLC, WinRAR, and let's say I want to update my Firefox. So what this will do is not only just install the softwares on your computer, but if you already have the existing softwares, it will update them. And then you click on get your 99, wait for 5 seconds. If it doesn't load in 5 seconds, click on the retry the download, click on it, and basically you're done. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to click next, finish all the time. It will do everything for you. So as you can see, my Firefox is running. That's why it didn't update it, and the other two applications are already updated. So that's the first website, 99.com. The second thing I do, like when I buy a new PC or a new laptop, is I always hate that there's a lot of bloatware or there are a lot of services running in the background which is unnecessary and useless and just make the computer slow and just invade my privacy. So to get rid of that, I install not install like it's a portable software, so I download. It's called Shut Up 10. So what this basically does is it disables all the services and stuff which is not required to for the functioning of the PC, and they just run in the background to, I don't know, steal your data and stuff like that. So what you got to do is go to actions, click on apply only recommended settings, okay, and you're done. So what I recommend you doing, what I recommend you to do is just copy this and just keep it somewhere safe. For example, maybe I keep my save files in my documents. So maybe just copy and paste it over here, leave it over here. Oh, I don't have space, my SSD is full. So that's why it's not allowing me to copy it over here. So what it does is just copy it somewhere safe. So because what happens sometimes is this computers, they run updates in the background, or they just have this they just run updates and all the settings sometimes get resetted. So what you can do is just open it again and do the steps all over again. Maybe just do it like something once a month or something like that, because when because when the computer gets updated, all the settings get reset, and you don't want that stuff to get enabled all over again. So yeah, the third thing is I download an antivirus. So when it comes to antivirus, I used to not believe in free antiviruses, but then I found this very nice antivirus. It's called Malwarebytes. It's the free version. So the thing why I didn't like antivirus is, like, I tried them all. I tried Kaspersky, I tried Avast, I tried Northern Antivirus, but they all have one thing in common, that they always have stuff running in the background. And it just makes the computer slow. They have all this stuff. They include add-ons in your browser to make sure this website is safe, that website is safe. It's not required. So what you do is you just install Malwarebytes, install it. I already have it installed, and it's one of the best antiviruses. But the only problem it has is that it's not always running. So when you download stuff from the internet, like, it won't automatically scan it, so you'll have to do it manually. Let me just show you that. You'll have to scan it manually, because I always don't like my antivirus running in the background because it slows down the PC. All you need to do is open it and click scan, and you're done. Okay, so I normally don't recommend free antiviruses, but this is one of the best antiviruses, and it doesn't affect the performance of my PC. So yeah, another additional thing I do when I get a new PC, even though I'm using Firefox, is I recommend you all to install this browser called as the Brave browser. Click on Brave, download, install. So what this browser is it's basically a modified version of Google Chrome. It is Google Chrome. All your Google Chrome add-ons and extensions will work on this. And why it's specially, it's a, when I say modified version, it's just Chrome with a lot of features packed in, so it has add-on. So let's say I visit a website on Google Chrome with ads on it. Like sometimes they, even though I have something like ad blocker installed on it, it will show that you need to disable ad blocker to access this page and stuff like that. So what the Brave browser does is it has a bypasser, ad block bypasser, and I won't say it works 100% of the time, maybe 90% of the time, that the bypasser doesn't detect that you have ad blocks on, and it works very well, and you can even make a couple of bucks using it, because it it's very crypto friendly, the browser. So by using it you can earn something called as bat tokens. Let me just show you. Yeah, so a Brave reward is on. It will show you a few private ads, and you will earn something called as bat tokens, which you can send to your browser, maybe some crypto exchanges, and exchange it for some dollars. It's pretty helpful. I know a few people who used this for a year or two, and they earned $50 to $100 without doing anything. So it's a good way to earn money without doing anything. Who doesn't like free money? Come on, guys. Yes. So that's it for today. Those are the three ways how what I do, like three softwares I use to uh, basically set up my PC when I get a new PC or a laptop.